Great outdoor living spaces start with a great design. A great design starts with understanding how a client wants to utilize their outdoor space, how they see themselves living in that space, making sure that all of the aspects of that outdoor living space are covered in the design. Examples would be maybe there's an outdoor kitchen, maybe there's an outdoor fireplace, maybe there's an outdoor hot tub, maybe there's a swimming pool, a variety of different types of things, outdoor furniture as well, by the way. Trying to understand how the client sees themselves using the space can help a design team come up with a great outdoor space to live in. After that, we got to take a look at materials. What type of materials are we going to use? We have many different types of materials for outdoor living spaces, and it's important to utilize a contractor that has access to all of the materials that you might want to use, so that you have everything available to you. And then the installation crew and the installation team has to have the experience to do this properly. It could be everything from different types of fireplaces and knowing how to build them, all the way down to what the flooring is like. Is it a patio built out of pavers? Is it stone? What does the flooring look like? Making sure that the installation team has expertise in all of the different types of products that you might be utilizing in your outdoor living space. Generally speaking, outdoor living spaces are a little bit more complicated than just a basic patio or a space like that, because they encompass more details. They have, like I said, other aspects of it. So it's important to make sure that the team is more skilled, and it's not something, generally speaking, that homeowners try to do themselves. Your outdoor living space is improperly installed, you can have all kinds of problems. It could start with the individual features not functioning the way they're supposed to. Examples could be a fireplace that's improperly installed could create a smoky environment around your patio instead of having a fun place to be in. It could be a place where everybody's coughing. If they install the patio improperly that's underneath the outdoor space, you could have issues with heaving and with making the space unsuitable for chairs or whatever you're using. And another example, if the outdoor kitchen is improperly installed, you won't be able to utilize it as a kitchen without having risk for fires, or it won't be functioning the way you want it to in terms of fitting the grills that you've got selected and or the refrigerator or other items that you want to use in your kitchen. So it's really important to have the space properly designed and properly installed.